and I'm going to solve that based on the distributive property. So how to solve the different problems. So in the exercise 2.3 they given, okay, so that I will write exercise 2.3. So first one, so find using distributive property. Okay, so first question is 728 into 101. So when you look at this problem, students, so as you know that normal multiplication, but how can we multiply this two number in the smart manner? So first I'll write the solution here. First we have to check at what property we can make. So 728 into 101. So first one, you have to split the 101 into two numbers. So 100 plus 1. Now you have to multiply this value here and multiply this value with this value. So 728 into 100 plus 728 into 1. So 728 into 100 means how much will come? So 72,800 plus 728. So what is that answer? So here we can add this value. So 72,800 728. So 8 2 here. So 73,528. 73,528. Okay, so this kind of only you have to solve, and one more problem I'm going to solve. Still 2 or 3 problems I will solve, then you can understand the better manner. Okay, so the next number is so 500 here 824 into 25. Sir, how sir we can make this value? Okay, so first one 824, so into 25 we can split. So 25 we can split means 20 plus 5. Okay, so next you have to multiply this two value. Okay, so 824 into 20 plus 824 into 5. So 824 into 20. So we will get the answer 16,480 plus 824 into 5 means 4,120. So what is that answer if you add these two value? So you will get the answer. So 20,000 something will come, 20,600. So 20,600 is the exact answer, students. And the next problem is, I think most of them it will finish. Okay. And one more, students. So the last concept is pattern in whole numbers. Okay, pattern in whole numbers. Okay, see what is the thing is, for example, if you take 1 dots, 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots, by this what are the shapes we can make? Okay, for example, here in your book they given, so the number 2, so number 2, how can we arrange it in terms of pattern? Okay, see here I will write here, so this is 1 dot, this is 1 dot, this is called number 2. And what about the number 3? So number 3. So number 3 means just straight onwards 2 3. Okay. And you know one thing, some numbers are called rectangle numbers. Rectangle numbers is nothing but what is called equal number of that what's called phases is there, and length should be greater. Okay, not equal, length should be greater but it should be smaller. And one more thing, some numbers, you know that 4 and 9 can be arranged in square forms. Okay, for example 9, so number 9, so how can we write in that square form number 9? So 1 here, 2 here, 3, so 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is that number 9. So this kind of only we can arrange it. Okay, see, by this kind of manner, for 2 dots what are the shape we can draw, for 3 dots means what are the shape we can draw, 4 dots, 5 dots, so likewise it will go. Okay, and you know thing, pattern observation is very important. So if they gave some numbers, they said to find the product of that number, means we have to arrange one pattern and then only we have to move. Okay, so first one is here, you just multiple 96 into 5. So what you will do, you have to just multiple all the values and finally you will say right answer or wrong answer. Okay, so anyway, so we have to write 96 into 5. So 5 means 10 minus 5 we can write. So that means 96 into 10 minus 5 means 96 into 10 minus 96 into 5. So 96 into 10. Okay, 96 into 10 means, so 960 minus 96 into 5. So 96 into 5, what are the value will come? See, 96 into 5 30. Okay, 480 will come. So 960 minus 480, so what will be that answer? So the answer is actually, so 960 minus 480, so the answer is actually 480. Okay students, so the next question is, see, find the value of 84 into 999. So how can we solve this problem? So first one we have to write, so 84 into 999 we can write 1000 minus 1. So that means 84 into 1000 and minus 84. So 84 into 1000 minus 84. So that means, what is that answer? So 84,000, no, 84,000, sorry, 84,000 minus 84. So 84,000 minus 84, what is the answer? 84,000 minus 84. So 10, here 6, so here 9, 1, 9, 9, okay, 3, 3 and 7, I think so, 73,000 something will come. So 73,916. Okay, and in your book they gave some problems. We will work out few problems and then we will move on to that. So what are the problems they given? So first one here, find distributive property. So the number is actually A, 728 into 101. Okay, 728 into 101. So first one, you know how to split the number. So how to split the number, that you have to know first. So 728 into 100 plus 1. Okay, So first multiply it 72,800 plus 728. So that means what answer will come? So 72,800. Okay, so just we can put here 72,800 and 728. 728. So 28, 15, 3, 73,500. 528, 73,528. Okay students, I hope you all understand, and once if I solved any problem, just take your note and work out. Okay, so the workout is very important, so we have to be very strong skills. And he see here, so yes, 728. So what is that answer? 728 into 108 means, so 73,000. So 528. 73,528. So this is the correct answer. Okay. Okay, the next question is, one more question I will solve. So what is that thing is 824. 824 into 25. So how can we solve this problem? So first one, 824 into 25 means we can split into 20 plus 5. So next to one, 824, just multiple this value, and this value also you have to multiple. So 824 into 20 plus 824 into 3. So 824 into 20, so you will get 16,480 plus, so here what they given 824 into 5 means, so 4,120. So when you add this value 16,480 and 4,120, so 0 0 and here 6, here 20,600. So the final answer is 20,600. Okay, and they gave various patterns in your book, so you just read that what are the various patterns are available, and you have to be just be focused on numericals, because some of the person only they are doing the numericals. Okay, so some of them and all they didn't do that numericals properly, so you just take care of that numerical part. And one more thing students, I will say is one thing. So see, when the exam time, if you have a doubt on that means, just take your rough note and solve it 1 or 2 times, then you have to write, because some of them they are have to upload a wrong file and that kind of only so that only I'm saying. And this kind of problems, what are the kind of problems means, so they give certain things, we have to do the problem so by using properties. Okay, so different properties we have seen. What is the thing is closure property, commutative property, okay, the associative property, then after distributive property. So these are the different properties we have seen. So based on the different properties, which properties where we have to work, that is the concept of today. Okay, so when they said to multiply any two number means whether we have to split the number, whether it is possible to by using that distributive property we can find the answer. So that kind of you have to check on students. Okay, so thank you all students, we will see in the next class. I hope you all understand. So just follow the work, which are the problems I left, just write it once in the rough note, and then you have to copy in that main note. Okay, so thank you all, we will see in the next class. Thank you.